Hello everyone, I'm going to do a quick update on a wheel upgrade I'm doing. I've gone from the stock 15-inch 195 tires to 16-inch 225s. These are Dayton wheels with Pirelli tires. They really fill out the space nicer and allow me to put bigger brakes. I had a hell of a time trying to get any kind of information on the internet on how to do this, so I'm putting this out for all of you. There's the original wheels with the original 1974 tires. It's really hard to tell, but if you look at the way the spokes are on this wheel, and we'll go back around, Citroen SM on the other side there, to this wheel, I believe the fella at Dayton called it a center spoke weave, and it pops the wheel out, I think about an inch, half inch, so there's no clearance issues. All right, here we have the new and old wheel tires set up side by side. On the left is the new 225 70/16 Pirelli. On the right is the old 70 series Dunlop from 1974. You can see that it's not that different, but it does make a difference. Helps to update my Resto Mod feel. I wanted to show you specifically the offset. I told you how Dayton wired these up a little different. If you look right there, the hub disappears on the side of the tire. Now we'll go to the original wheel. Again, same width rim, but here we can see, when you get it right here, the hub sticks out about ½ inch to 3/4. So that puts the wheel farther out, increases the track. Hopefully this helps somebody. I think I could have gone to a 7-inch tire, but I didn't want to get greedy and end up with fitment issues, so here we are. At the back, you kind of see again, this is for the techie people that want to see what kind of clearance there is, and we got plenty of clearance. Plus I did not have to remove the bump stop, where I've read all kinds of horror stories. That was not an issue. Now we'll look on the other side to the stock wheel. And again, kind of seeing how the clearances are. I'm sorry for all you hot rod fans, but this is for the tech guys that want to put a little more modern wheel and tire on their XKE. And we've a look down here. You can see the clearance on the original, and then we'll go over to the new one. I like it a lot. Hope that helps somebody.